Buy Kotton Klenser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy Kotton Klenser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Kotton Klenser products provide a method for cleaning and maintaining a variety of the assets in your home or business that will restore and increase their value. Everyone has treasured valuables that with age have become weathered and worn. Metals suffer the accumulation of dirt and tarnish that dull their luster. Kotton Klenser products will clean and preserve the valuables you love and treasure. Your time is valuable and Kotton Klenser products shorten the time and effort needed to clean and preserve the assets in a home or business. Cleaning metal surfaces. Before attempting to clean any surface, it is important to read the directions contained in the Kotton Klenser products instruction pamphlet and take notice of caution labels on Kotton Klenser products. Use the two-step clean and preserve process to clean metal surfaces. Step 1 is to clean with heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner. Follow Step 1 with Step 2 to preserve the cleaned surface with Kotton Klenser lemon oil beeswax polish. Step 1. Clean. Use heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner to clean any metal surface by applying heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner to an inconspicuous area of the metal surface with a brush or towel to begin the cleaning process. As you grow comfortable with heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner's cleaning power, begin to clean more noticeable areas. Heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner is a powerful cleaner. Only use heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner as is needed to clean the object being cleaned. Use a damp towel to wipe away the dirt and remove any excess heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner from the surface. In most cases, heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner will perform the cleaning process within an hour, but may take longer depending on the amount of cleaning needed. Heavily tarnished surfaces or surfaces that have older decayed lacquered surfaces may require heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner to remain on the surface to be cleaned for 18 to 24 hours or longer. Heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner will not remove newly varnished or lacquered finishes in most circumstances. Heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner is biodegradable and non-abrasive. In some cases 0000 grade steel wool can be used as a mild abrasive with heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner to remove dirt and tarnish buildup, but caution should be observed when using 0000 grade steel wool. Avoid the use of abrasives on plated metal surfaces and softer metals like silver. Multiple applications of heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner can be used on heavily tarnished metal surfaces. Heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner will not remove pitting or scratches from metal surfaces, but will make metal surfaces more attractive and reduce the possibility of future pitting. Pitted surfaces may require the use of an abrasive like 0000 grade steel wool and heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner to clean. Remove any excess heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner from the metal surface once the surface is satisfactorily cleaned. Proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Preserve. Use Kotton Klenser lemon oil beeswax polish to preserve and maintain the beauty of any metal surface by applying the Kotton Klenser lemon oil beeswax polish with a soft cloth. Remove any excess Kotton Klenser lemon oil beeswax polish. Repeat the application of Kotton Klenser lemon oil beeswax polish as necessary to prevent tarnishing. You have successfully preserved the metal surface. Enjoy. Note: warm dish soap water can be used to remove any residue of heavy-duty Kotton Klenser metal cleaner, but you will need to proceed immediately to Step 2 to prevent retarnishing. Buy Kotton Klenser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy Kotton Klenser products at www.kottonklenser.com.